Now, the next one says that the eye is connected to a spring. The idea of the eye is also connected to a spring in the sense that the eye releases water. The eye creates water and the water does flow, so the eye is a spring. The truth is that if you go into ancient records about Igbo land, there are certain places in Igbo land that were termed Anya. Anya. Now, when you check, you might not really understand why these places were named Anya. You start to ask, why was this place named Anya? One of these places is most of the Ikwere areas you see today. Most of the places you know as Ikwere today. In earlier history, the territory or that geographical area was called Anya. But because that these names have been set there for so long, centuries, possibly even 1,000 years, the current Igbo people cannot really pinpoint specifically why that place is named Anya. But the truth is that the place is actually named Anya from what we have seen in ancient records. Those areas were actually named Anya because it is the opening point for a lot of rivers, so to say. So in a sense, that Ikwe area is actually a spring point or a spring head, so to say. So if you connect it to the ideological understanding of the eye being a spring, meaning that it is a point where the water starts to flow out, you will then understand why the Igbo people looked at the Ikwere area. The Ikwere people are Igbos also. You understand why the Ikwere people looked at their area and named their area Anya.